So, because we're gonna plow straight through them and stuff.
No, I'm just saying, if you want.
And if we fall, it's kind of good we have these arms on the side. Like, almost tip over.
Yeah. So.
You want to put it in 4-wheel?
No. We should be fine. I don't want to go that way, though. I want to go this way. That way was kind of sketchy. Oh, this way seems even sketchier.
There's a giant pile of crap right there.
Hello. Okay. Okay, nice to meet you. Hello. Alright, this seems a little bit leveler. Yeah, this seems... Whoa! That's not cool. Talk about really putting it through its paces right away. Yeah, that seems about right. Right? This is good.
Oh, here it comes.
Right, now we're good. I've been through this way with the golf cart. It should be okay.
Off-road backhoe.
Yep, we're good.
Hey, look, we can give hay rides through here and scare the shit out of people at Halloween.
I think we're going to want it on this hill.
Ooh, that's a lot.
That's two.
Torque.
That's two. That's two. And line. Alright, that's one. Okay. Oh, I love this thing right here, so when you load the truck, the little neutral button, so it kicks right into neutral, see?
Oh. Thanks for that. Yeah.
Hold on. Hold on to your underwear, Sally. And four-wheel drive engage.
Did you say fourth-wheel drive engage?
Four-wheel drive.
Oh, I thought you said fourth-wheel drive engage. Keep it on for the mud puddle.
True.
So we won't get stuck. This thing's heavy.
Hey, it's fucking good. No, it just really sunk in at one spot. The loader was sunk in there too. I don't like that noise. Oh, that's just the door hitting the stabilizer.
That's just the door swinging back and forth.
Yeah. That would piss me out. Oh wait, it is.
And it's the backhoe thing.
Alrighty, so I'm gonna move this shit. I don't know what it is. It's like salt.
Oh!
No, I think my butt's a little bit too angled there, bucko. There we go.
Do you think your bucket was down enough for that since we're on the pile?
No, I don't think it was. That's the thing I don't like about this auto leveling. Is one, I haven't used this thing in like 8 months it's been in the garage. And two, I don't like it.
Hey, but it is kind of fun.
That is true. There we go.
Are you in 1 or 2?
I'm 2 four-wheel drive. Actually, probably 1. Oh, there's the torque.
Yeah.
There's the torque.
I was like, this thing's kind of wimpy all of a sudden. Are we moving salt back?
Yeah, just so we can park this thing. Spot. There we go.
Are we gonna fuel it? Are we gonna fuel it?
God, you're like a goddamn woman.
No. A woman would be the one telling you to wash your hands.
That's true.
Hey Josh, guess what we could have taken?
But
Look at that door. Look at that window handle right there.
bitch.
Yeah, it's a black cap. Oh well.
Well, now we got a shiny one with a black cap. Wonderful. The drive.
You can feel the difference between 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel
Oh,
drive.
hey, good, really, yeah. It really falls like a master.
Yeah.
Alright, let's fill this pequeño up. Su pecho es grande. Oh, I'll show you the acceleration on this bastard.
Where are we gonna go? 4?
Yep. No acceleration at all, but it goes 30.
Yeah. Oh. Hey, I know why you didn't feel like you were gonna fucking die.
Huh?
I know why you feel like you weren't gonna die. Your seat, you have air ride.
I don't have an air ride seat, do I?
Yep. You just bounced down. You've been rolling and bouncing this entire time.
Huh. Oh no, I felt like I was gonna die. Just a scare. That's the best. Just a scare. Just a scare cat.
Oh. Stop it.
Alright.
What is that stick anyway? Where'd that come from?
This?
Yeah.
That's up, down, curl.
What's the stick next to it?
That's for accessories when you have plows on. That's your
Oh.
angle. Or a sweeper blade.
What the fuck's beeping? Oh, parking brake?
Yeah, it does that. It's annoying as shit. I don't like it.
Give him a honk with your horn.